To answer this very question, a group of researchers from California State University randomized 17 healthy and well-trained men and women to either a time-restricted eating group or controlled normal feeding group. Having the time-restricted eating group train fasted, but also in a 10% calorie surplus, eating with the specific goal to gain. So for the study, the TRE group followed a traditional 16-8 protocol, while the control group ate across a much wider 13-hour window. The key here being that the two groups consumed the same amount of total energy relative to their body composition. And during this time, both groups performed supervised resistance exercise training 4 times a week for 8 weeks. And to measure the primary outcomes of said changes in strength and muscle mass, physical performance tests of maximum strength were completed pre and post the 8-week intervention, along with body composition measurements. So, with that, what did they find? First, the important stuff. Overall mood and sleep quality, collected via surveys, were consistent between the two groups. That being said, there was a downtick in perceived energy levels for the fasting group, essentially indicating that the fasting group felt more tired more often. Which brings us to the first big finding. Training volume, or the amount of reps the individuals were able to perform from a daily and overall perspective, were significantly lower in the time-restricted eating group compared to the fed controls. That being said, both groups were able to increase maximal lower body and upper body strength measured by 1 rep max, along with overall muscle endurance, displaying that the hard training and good eating does in fact work despite the condensed feeding window. Now, when it comes to which group saw more strength gains,